I'm going to show you how to make the ultimate party cocktail, the Zombie. Woo! It's the strongest cocktail on most cocktail menus, and it's the cocktail that you will have the most fun with. But don't have too many, otherwise you'll peak way too early, just like my little flame that's now gone out. Now, the whole story about the cocktail was invented by Don the Beachcomber back in 1934, basically created for a hungover customer that wanted to get through a business meeting. Kind of a pick-me-up, if you like. Now, that customer came back into Don's bar the next day and proclaimed that that cocktail made him feel like a zombie the rest of the day. Don't think anyone knows how the business meeting went. Now, still to this day, all around the world, bars will sometimes limit their guests to maybe 2 if you're very lucky, but predominantly one cocktail, 1 zombie per person per night. And that's simply because it's flipping strong. And as for the recipe, well, those of you up with Don the Beachcomber will know that he kept the majority of his recipes a secret. He didn't really publish his recipes. However, Beach Bum Berry in his cocktail books Revisited and Cocktail Grog has kind of documented some of them, so we have got a loose idea of what the zombie actually is. But there are many zombie recipes out there all around the world. Trader Vic even published his own recipe in 1947. But these days, especially in the UK and especially in branded or chained bars, the zombie just loosely translates into the strongest rum cocktail on the menu. And as I say, you know, the recipes, they are all completely different, bar to bar, chain to chain, bartender to bartender. No one really has a set zombie recipe. Now, me personally, I'll come out and say it, I'm not a huge fan of that zombie recipe that Beach Bum Berry published in Sippin' Safari, which was credited to Don the Beachcomber. It's way too kind of citrusy for me, and I kind of love to, especially because of what I'm used to, I love to add a bit of fun to it. And I too have got my own recipe. Normally, I would use like an apricot liqueur in there as well, because I just think that works well. But I was kind of trawling the interwebs and I found that I've kind of on Pussers' website, and Pussers have got their zombie, and I quite like the fact that they use the menage a trois of their sort of 3 out and out Pussers rums. So I made it and tried it, and do you know what? It's actually pretty damn good. So there's a lot of ingredients involved in this, but then with zombies there always is. There's traditionally at least sort of 3 if not 4 different rums. We're getting basically the whole Pussers range out to play here. Not bothering with the 15-year-olds. You can add a bit of spice in there if you wanted to as well, but I'm just going for the core sort of plain rums. So we've got the 40% ABV, we've got the gunpowder proof, and we've got the 151, the big boy coming out to play. Some Grenadine Syrup, some Grenadine, some Angostura Bitters, some funkin' passion fruit puree, lemon juice, lime juice, and pineapple juice. I am going to flash blend this. You can shake this up, of course you can. I'm getting old, can't be asked to shake it anymore, to be fair. So let's get the old blender out to play. So 30 ml of Pussers Blue Label. 30 ml of the old Pussers Gunpowder Proof. Now, with the 151, you can do this 2 ways. I'm going to blend it. I'm going to add it in. But for the garnish coming up, you can save this. You can put it over the top and you can set fire to it. I'm going to do something slightly different for you. I don't believe in setting fire to that rum. What a waste that is. So 30, 30, 30. Let's get all the 30s out of the way. 30 ml of lemon juice. 30 ml of lime juice. Lovely fresh lime juice. 30 ml of pineapple juice. Ooh, there's a lot here, isn't there? Right, 30 ml of that. We're going to do 30 ml of funkin' passion fruit puree. You know, those little silver pouches. So 30 ml of passion fruit. Lovely, jubbly. Right, 15, half an ounce of sugar syrup. Gone. Perfect. And then to give it that lovely sort of red colour as well, we're going to do 15 ml of Grenadine. Lovely, jubbly. That's all your ingredients. Angostura Bitters, couple of dashes, whatever you fancy. Jobs are good in. Right, I'm just going to add some crushed ice and then flash blend that up. Right, quick sort of 5-6 second flash blend. Now, I'm going to serve this up in a Pussers tankard. I've got some ice in there. Because purely for the garnish, that's all. If you're going to use a tiki glass or whatever, shake and dump, just pour that in. You've got the ice already in there. But because I want something to sit on top, I'm actually going to sort of strain this over fresh ice. There might be a little bit left over. Yeah, not much. Or a little bit, not much. Right. Now, the garnish, as I said, I think it is criminal to burn alcohol, to waste alcohol. I don't do that. So, what I've got a little passion fruit there. Nice. I've put some sugar in there, and I've got some lemon extract. Let's finish off the old tiki vibes. Let's get a couple of pineapple fronds in there as well. Now to finish this off, as I say, lemon extract, the old sugar in there. Whoosh. That should burn. Look at that. That's how we rock and roll. No need to set fire to your rum, is there? You can do if you want. The Pussers 151 will work there. And then I've just got a little bit of cinnamon, and we're just going to create a little bit of flames on top. Woo!